Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jasmine Omotesopaul, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a homemade DIY homemade lip scrub. So the ingredients you'll be needing are a tablespoon of sugar, a drop of olive oil, and honey. So let's get started, guys. Okay, so I'm going to put the sugar onto the plate. Now I'm going to put in a few drops of olive oil. Only a little bit. Oh. Now a few drops of honey. Okay. There. Now, let's mix. Mixy, mix, 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 mixy, mix, 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 mix. It's almost done, guys. Mix. Has to be yellow. And then, So I think I need a bit more honey. Wait, let me put it there. Honey, come here, please. There we go. Now mix again. Mix, mix, mixy, mix, mix, mixy, mix, 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 mixy, mix, 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 mix. Okay, guys, I think that's good. Now I'm gonna apply it. So this is what the mixture should look like. A thick consistency, and it shouldn't be too runny. And also, guys, don't be scared, it's also edible. So now I'm gonna put it on my lips. Okay. It's so weird. Okay. So just keep scrubbing gently. It feels so moisturizing on the lips, and it takes away all the dead skin on your lips. Scrub, 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 scrub. Scrub, scrub. Scrub, 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 scrub. Good. Oh. So sticky. But I'm gonna wash it off, guys. So I have this damp cotton pad that I'm gonna use to take away all the sugar scrub on my lips. So let's go. And then wait, when I'm done, I'm gonna use my Carmex lip balm. So let's rub. Oh, that's a lot. Scrub. So I just finished wiping off the lip scrub from my lips, so now I'm gonna apply my Carmex. Oh my gosh, guys, my lips feel so moisturized. I hope this video was helpful. Tell me down in the comments if you tried this and if it worked as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, guys. Share this with your friends. Spread the love. Bye, guys. Love you.